Hi guys, welcome to what I call I've been packing for a week and I still haven't finished. Packing has definitely been much more of a struggle than I initially planned for, just because there's so many things that you can't pack obviously a week before you start, and also things that I'm like, should I bring, should I not bring? I have a quite small dorm, so I'm like, should I bring them? I don't know. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen me ever before, my name is Maddie, or you can call me Macerly. This week I'm going to uni in England, in London. A bunch of you guys have been following my journey in the series Road to Uni, so if you haven't watched any of these episodes before, then definitely do, because it's a series. Today is the day before I leave. I should probably finish packing because I leave very early in the morning tomorrow. I have 2 suitcases that I'm going to bring, and then I'm also going to bring a huge bag that I'm probably going to keep in my room. I've been packing like all my basic clothes, like jumpers and pants and trousers and dresses and all those things that I would wear on like a more regular basis and for school and in the halls. But I haven't packed any of my shoes, any of my training wear, also no electronics yet, so I have to do that now. This one is good to go. It's filled up and I've already started on a bag full of clothes. Close up. Okay, nice. That wasn't so hard. I could have even filled it with more stuff, but then it would have gone over the weight limit, so maybe not. Now I just have to fill this baby up to the top. I filled it with a bunch of shoes and training wear and that kind of stuff, and then I'm gonna finish with this one. Good morning, it's 5:30 and I'm gonna carry my bags down and we're gonna leave for the airport. We're here at the airport. I got my breakfast. I'm really happy and excited, and yeah. So yesterday all we did was basically just go on some last minute shopping and for the dorm obviously, and then I just slept because I was a bit tired. We talked everything, and now today is move-in day at my dorm, which is weird because I've been thinking about this day for like 5 years and now it's here. But yeah, we are going to pack everything, get a black cab, and then go to the dorms. So this is the room. Got my keys, and here we have it, you guys. So here we are. I think we're gonna go to the post office probably because we need the mattress and everything, some hangers and stuff. But yeah, what are you doing? Why are you? Okay, we have a bed, we have a little wash, super cute vanity, storage area. We have my beautiful mother. We have we have a little closet here with some storage at the bottom. There's a mirror in the wardrobe. That's really smart. Reading light here.
And some books in the little...
Yeah, we can put some books here. I really like that there's storage everywhere. Over here we have some storage as well. And then my teeny tiny little desk, which is nice. And then some coat storage. So we were just walking to the post office and then we found a Swedish shop full of like Swedish things. They have all like, they have O'boy, they have like, what is it in English? Knäckebröd? Crackbread.
Yeah.
What is going on? We just saw fika. They have like everything that I would normally like eat in Norway. That's super strange. Well, guess what we found? Oatly package from Amazon delivered. Come on in. I'll take you guys along in my extremely messy room for now.
Now let's pack everything out.
Talk about how extremely neatly packed everything here is. I mean, so now I'm gonna share with you today's student hack, and it's this. Oh, also we put in some pillows. This I brought from home because one, it's nice to have some pillows from home so you feel more homey, but we don't have a filling for it because one, filling is expensive, and two, we could use this for extra storage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, if I can get that, thank you, the linen and the fitted sheets for the bed, and I'm gonna put them inside. And then the other one. Here we go. Puffy and nice. Let's close it up. It's really heavy though. And there we have it. A perfectly, oh, it has some dust in it, wait. A perfectly nice puffy pillow for use in your bed. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, nice. Have it here?
I think we should have the tray maybe here. I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's because that's true. This is a jewelry holder kind of, so maybe up here or somewhere like that. Remember your face care and everything. Nice. Oh, it looks nice too.
Yeah.
So we got these really cute bins, jars from H&M Home, and I just filled them with like my pens and necessities and also like flashcards, and it looks really cute. And now we're just gonna put it, I'm sorry it's like super messy, but we're just gonna put this up here and it looks much more organized. There you go.
Thank you.
Just press it out. There you go. Okay, nice. What's that? Oh, it's the laundry bin. That's the plug, I think, for the room, yeah. Oh, that's my, look at that. How cute. This is gonna go up on the wall. It's like a light up thing. Cactus, pineapple. Ooh, felt hangers, nice. Now, mission, put everything in my closet. Should we put all my sweaters and hang them up? Okay, so a little update. It's a little bit later, and put my suitcase up there. We put some towels up there, decorate a little bit in the compartments, and we filled up the closet. I'll show you guys. Here's the closet. Oh my god. And honestly, I still have so much extra room, which is really nice. And all my sweaters are in here as well as here. We are gonna go eat now because one, it's really hot in this room, and two, we have done pretty much like the big things, so, and we're really hungry. That's also a reason. It's turning out really pretty. I'm really happy with like the, not the color scheme, that sounds really weird, but I'm really happy with like the, how everything looks. It looks really pretty. We need to throw this paper and this plastic because that's taking up a lot of space. And I also matched the room, which is nice. We're gonna go eat and I'll see you guys around. We're plant shopping now. My legs! Welcome back. We just went to Urban Outfitters and all around in the city, and we got some stuff and I wanted to show you guys. So first we got this Chili's. Welcome to Chili's. Water bottle. This is a cactus. So this is the first one. And this is the second one. Look at these lights, you guys. How cute! So this I ordered from Amazon. It was about, I think, like 3 or 4 pounds. And then this I got from Urban Outfitters. And it's so cute. And we're gonna hang it up over here. I got these from Panduro. And just gonna hang the lights up on the wall with these. How cute is it looking here? It's like all Christmassy and stuff with all these lights. So you can just attach these to the wall and then they will stick, and then we just decided to like put these fairy lights in like that so they stay. Okay, it's attached. You can't even see it. Let's see what happens when I turn this on. Oh, it's so nice! And yeah, hope you enjoyed watching this video, watching me move in, watching my accent get really confused by whether or not I'm speaking English or American or nor English or what I've been doing. Sorry about that, by the way, like I'm even confused myself. Also, I have a video coming up in the next couple of weeks where I will be DIYing and decorating even more in my dorm, like for example, hanging up pictures and posters all around here because I do have one, this one, that I'm going to be decorating with. I'm just waiting for some more to arrive, so. I'm gonna head to school right now because I'm not gonna be late for my first day. I'll see you guys. Bye everyone!